Hey guys, what is up? It's Sachi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi again. You know, my name is Sachi. I try to do content on beauty, fitness, and anything plant related. And if you guys have any suggestions on what videos you'd like to see from me, please don't forget to comment it down below and subscribe as well. Today I will be sharing with you guys my unboxing process. So I actually ordered two plants. One was from Davao City and then one was from Batangas City. And I actually just ordered it 2 days ago and then the seller shipped it yesterday and it came today. Sobrang bilis niya, guys. Well, it's just from Batangas and I'm from Cavite, so I guess that's why it's pretty quick. But I was having doubts on using LBC because the last time I used it, I had a bad experience. I think it took about 2 weeks coming from Surigao del Norte, I think it is. Basta Surigao siya nanggaling and it took 2 weeks. So yeah, I was skeptical. But surprisingly, LBC is stepping up their game and you know, it just took 1 day. Well, mainly I think it's because it's super near, like Batangas and Cavite are super near. Nonetheless, I'm still happy that, you know, it just took 1 day. I will film the other plant unboxing, you know, when it arrives. So let's go ahead and unbox. So this plant that I ordered, it's from Facebook Marketplace, and I was just scrolling to Facebook Marketplace and then I was lucky enough to run across this seller. And so far, I've had a speedy transaction with him. And it was nice because he shipped the plant first, or parang same kami nagbayad, because I don't know how to say it, but basically he went to LBC and then I paid right before he sent the plant. So hindi siya sketchy, guys. Uso na kasi yung parang nasa scam now sa mga online plants. So this plant is hulaan nyo na lang. Pero I bought it for 1,300 pesos. And it's cheap na compared to, you know, the prices I see on Facebook Marketplace. 1,300 lang siya. This plant costs usually around mga 2,000 to 3,000. So I was really happy when, you know, I ran across this seller na meron pa siya. Oh my gosh, sana okay pa yung roots niya. Okay, I think it's in... Ay, hindi pala ipa. Mixed soil. And then... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so nice! Ang laki pa ng leaf niya. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. So, can you guys guess? Ay, wait, nakatiba. Wow! Do you guys know what this is? It's a philodendron gigas. Oh, ang nice! Binigyan pa niya ako ng seeds. It's so pretty, you guys. Kailangan ko na siya lalagay ko muna sa water and then let it acclimate, and then I'll transfer it to soil maybe after 2 weeks or 1 week. I don't know, we'll see. Let's see the roots first. Meron na siyang roots, guys. Ayan o. Also, I'm sorry if it doesn't focus because I'm just using my phone to film. Okay, I think pwede na siya It's so cute. Wow, head test! I'm so happy! Trustable si seller, so I might be ordering some other plants from him. And if I remember right, meron pa siyang mga philodendron, Florida Beauty, Florida Ghost, Syngonium album, Monstera albo. I am so happy with this leaf. Even if one leaf lang siya, at least rooted. I will see you guys on the next part, and let's just wait for my other plant to arrive. So my other plant just arrived. So this is the one from Davao, and it took around 4 days. Tama ba? Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, it took around 4 days for it to be shipped here from Davao, and I used JRS Express because according to the seller, mas faster daw yung shipping ng JRS for plants. So this one was really affordable. I'll show you guys in a bit when I unbox it. Medyo rare siya, or yeah, rare kasi, I don't know, it's hard to find these plants. The other one is not so rare, but you know, it's trendy. So medyo mataas na rin yung price niya. Oh, wait, before that, I have another package. This is from WGE Asia. They sent me another package. Thank you so much. I think I'll unbox this first. Unbox box pa to sis. I mean, unwrap. No way. I think it's a sports bra. Yay! It's so cute! Oh my gosh, you guys. If you guys have been watching my videos before, I do have a video on activewear. I did an activewear haul from Shopee and Lazada. So, I'm so happy. You know, it's been a while since I bought activewear kasi ang dami ko nga binili dun sa haul na yon. But this is so cute! And I got a face mask from, this is Bio Aqua. And then there's another one. Ito, parang nakabox siya. Okay, this is it. It says, Aha Baha PH Miracle Toner. So this is the AH talaga. Hindi ko masabi. AHA Miracle Toner. O, diba? Sobrang hirap din sabihin. AHA Miracle Toner. AHA. Bisaya ka, day? Okay, anyways. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting this for so long. I always see reviews on it on Beauty Manila, and sometimes nakikita ko rin siya sa Shopee. So this is, wait. Oh, yay! So this is the Miracle Toner by 𝒍𝒐𝒗𝒆�. 𝒍𝒐𝒗𝒆�. I don't know how you say it. 𝒍𝒐𝒗𝒆�. I know this is like a Korean brand because I've been into Korean skincare lately. I will update you guys on my Instagram story on the results of this. Works as an effective exfoliator to leave skin clearer, more radiant than before. Formulated without 20 ingredients. Wow. Dual functioning, approved by KFA. Oh, Korean nga siya. Also, I do have a code. So if you guys plan to purchase anything, I'll leave my discount code down below. So you know, you guys get to save some money. And this is the last one. Sana pang skincare din siya. Let's see. Ooh. Perfect Clean Hair Removal Cream Secret Solution. Oh, it's also Korean! Yay! It's also by 𝒍𝒐𝒗𝒆�. 𝒍𝒐𝒗𝒆�. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong how you say it, please. So, this is another Korean skincare product, and it's for mild, fast, pain-free hair removal cream. Ah, okay. Pang hair removal siya. So that is that. Now it's time for our plant unboxing. Sinira ko na yung box lens. Hindi na ako makapaghintay. Ito siya, guys. Wait. So again, yeah, it took around 4 days to ship from Davao City. But, oh, I think medyo, ano na siya, ang tawag doon. Medyo na, I see some yellowing. So, may freebie binigay yung seller. And, oh, it's kind of yellow. Wait. Hey guys, I just noticed that I have something on my hair. I think it's something from the box, but don't mind it na lang. Oh man. So this is, I don't know which plant this one is, but I'm hoping it's not the one I ordered. Oh my gosh. Ooh, okay. This one is fine. It's medyo natanggal yung root. Oh, nag-rot na siya guys. Medyo namatay na siya. Ito na lang natira. I'll see what I can do with this. But thank you for the freebie. So this is what I ordered. And I'm hoping na okay pa yung condition niya. Can you guys guess what it is? Okay, one leaf is dead, but that's okay. As long as the roots are fine. Wait. Okay. Ang ganda niya, guys! This is my Anthurium radicans. Oh my gosh! Ang ganda niya! Ay, hindi pala dead yung leaf niya. This is the new leaf. Kaka-unfurl lang niya kasi that's why it's red pa. But, oh my gosh, it's so cute! I love it! Ito yung packaging niya, guys. Ang ganda ng leaf niya. Oh, grabe. I've been into anthuriums lately. And I wanna expand my collection of anthuriums kasi madali lang sila alagaan. This is my radicans. Look at the leaf. Grabe, oh. Buti na lang buhay pa siya. Thank you so much, seller. Ah, ganda. So this is the last plant that, you know, it's been trendy lately and I wanted to get my hands on it because I wanted to expand my collection. This plant has been in demand too. I don't know, maybe because of the variegation then as well. Variegation. Oh, ang ganda niya, guys. Okay, hindi nyo makita. Tada! This is my... Wait. You guys probably already know it because you guys can see it, but this is my Manjula photos. Ang lush niyan. Not naman lush, but trailing na siya, guys. Oh, it's so nice. Guwapa ka ayos, sis. So nice, oh. Let's count the leaves. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 leaves na siya. So I got this Manjula photos for 500 pesos. And I think I was able to get a discount pa from the seller. I don't remember, but nasa mga 500 plus lang siya. I'm so happy. It's so pretty. Yeah, this is, I'll probably like try to propagate them because you can see some aerial roots already. Let me know if you want to trade. Ang ganda ng variegation niya. Yeah, that is all for this video. If you guys have any questions, suggestions, or recommendations for me, please do ano ba yan? Please do leave a comment down below. I would gladly reply. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Oh, also, thank you so much, WGE Asia. Bye!